Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine and in good health. Students, these are the book exercises of Unit 1. Yesterday we had done some exercises like exercise A, B, C. And this one, the new exercise, this is related with grammar. I told you that in my next video, I will explain this one exercise. Okay, this exercise is the alphabet, capital letters and small letters. It is about the alphabets, that is capital letters and small letters. See, can you see in the video? Look at these words. This is a box of alphabets. Here are some capital alphabets A to Z and some small alphabets A to Z. Okay, this exercise is related with the writing pattern. The pattern by which we will write in our English notebooks. That pattern is called writing pattern. Today I will explain this pattern. Okay, capital writing pattern A to Z. I am going to start. Take out your rough copy. Yesterday I told you that use English 4 lines rough copy for practice. Okay, do you have this copy? If you have no English 4 lines notebook, you can use pages. You can also use pages. Okay, shabash, take out the pencil and start with me. Do practice with me. Okay. Okay, first I am taking start capital A. We will write these alphabets, these capital letters in the upper 3 lines. In the 4-line pattern, we will write capital alphabets in upper 3 lines. I am going to start. Look, capital A in the upper 3 lines like this. Now B. Look, first I have drawn a small line in the upper 3 lines. Then I am closing it. First I have closed it in the upper 2 lines and now in the lower 2 lines like this. This is B. Okay. Now C, capital C, round in upper 3 lines like this. You can draw 2 lines for you on a page like this and make 3 columns for you. Okay. This will be easy for you. Now capital D. Again a small line and then round like C. Round. We will close it round. This is capital D. Okay, now capital E. Line in upper 3 lines. Look. And then 3 small straight lines on the already done lines. Okay. Like this. E. Now F, line, small line in upper 3 lines and 2 small lines in front of this line. F, G. G. First of all you will write C. You will make C in the upper 3 lines like this, round C. Then small 1 in the mid 2 lines like this, small 1. Look, and then you will make small 7 upon it, small 7. This will be capital G. Okay, now H, 2 small lines in the upper 3 lines and a small line in the mid line. Okay, H. I is very small, a line in upper 3 lines and then 2 small lines on its head and bottom. I. Now J, line in upper 3 lines, make it round on the 3rd line, make it round on the 3rd line and then small line on its top. This is J. Okay. I have told you now that we will write these capital alphabets in the upper three lines. Look, you can see all of them are in the upper three lines. We are not using this red fourth line, okay? K. Line in upper three lines, K. And make it small hands like this. And other hand like this. फर्स्ट हैंड आप लोग लेकर जाएंगे 1 तक, फर्स्ट लाइन तक, रेड लाइन तक, और दूसरा बिल्कुल इसी के मिड से स्टार्ट करके थर्ड लाइन तक. ओके, लाइक दिस. नाउ एल, a straight line in upper three lines, and then a small line on third line, L. M. M is also very easy. Line in upper three lines, then bring it to third line, again to first line, look, and then third line. This is M. M, capital M, okay? Now capital N. Capital N, line in upper three lines, again a curved line, and then a straight line. Capital N. Okay, O. O is round in upper three lines. O is round. Look, it is like a circle. P. For P, again make a straight line in upper three lines and close its mouth like this. Close it. This is P. Now Q. Circle. You can make O in upper three lines and a small line between second and third line. Look, between the second and third line, a small line. R, a straight line in upper three lines. Close its upper part like this. Close it, and then a small hand. R, okay? S, now S. S is also round in upper three lines. It is round. Look, round from the upper line and round till third line. Look, this is S. T, now T, straight line in upper three lines and a straight line on first line of these 4 lines. First line of the 4 lines. This is T. Now U, turn off U. U is also a round, okay? First you will draw a straight line in upper three lines, then making it round and then making it straight. And look, there is no tail of U. You will not make a tail, okay? Not make a tail. Straight. V like this. A curved line, 2 curved lines joining at the third line. Look, 2 curved lines joining at third line. Okay, W, a straight line, then making it curved and raising towards the first line, then from first till third, and then straight. Look, this is W, capital W. Now X. X is like a cross. Cross. You can make a cross. Okay, like this. This is in upper three lines. This is X. Okay. Look at these alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Now I'm writing Y and Z on this page, okay? My page is finished. Okay, Y also in the upper three lines. Look, first we will make a small line in the upper 2 lines. Okay, then joining this small line with the big line like this. This is a small line curved, and that is a big line. This is Y, also in the upper three lines. And the last one alphabet is Z. Look, Z. A small line on the upper line, then making it curved in the first three lines, and again making it straight on third line. This is Z, capital Z. Okay, students, I hope you have done practice with me in your rough copies. Have you done? Yes, I'm sure you people have done it. Okay, now do practice of this writing pattern 2 times. Okay, look, I have written 2 here. Do practice of this writing pattern, capital writing pattern A to Z, in your rough copies at home 2 times. Okay, I will check it. I will ask about this homework. Okay, this is your homework. Do it at home. Do practice of this writing pattern, capital A to Z 2 times. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you.